It was the night before Christmas. I was closing down for business in my little present shop.
Good day everyone, it's me Chanel here, and today we are going to put together a simple Christmas or wreath that is decorated for the holiday season. And you know, like I like to say, a few simple supplies. Of course, you will need some scissors. We're going to use some ribbon that is adorned in this beautiful gold, and it has glitter on it as well, and it has a bit of some chrysanthemums that is woven in between with the gold, outlined in the gold, and it's very, very pretty. And in keeping with my gold and cream and white theme with the natural woods in the upstairs area along the hallway is where I'm going to place this wreath. And this is a really quick and easy, simple wreath that I'm going to show you that you can put together. This one is going to be as easy as pretty much 1, 2, 3 that I'm going to show you on today. No cutting involved pretty much, except for the ribbon. And first you'll take your wreath, of course, and you'll do some fluffing to your wreath. And once you have fluffed out all of the stems of the greenery along the wreath, you're going to add the flowers. And this is a flowering bush you can pick up at your local craft stores, any one of them, and there are several out there that you can pick them up from. It's a basic bush, and this one happens to be in the cream and the white and gilded with the gold that is going around the leaves of the flowers that is on the bush. And we'll be adding that again along with the ribbon, and this is going to be quick and easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you don't want to take up a lot of time or buying a lot of objects to add to a wreath, let's just look at this video, check it out, and see how easy it is for you to put together a Christmas wreath of your own instead of going out and spending maybe for one this size. It's going to be probably around $39 in the stores, and you could put this one together for what, $5, $3, so $8, plus another $6 for the bush, so a total of about $14 to put together a wreath that normally would cost you about $39. So let's get right into the video, and I hope you enjoy it. And I just have this hanging on the closet door, the linen closet door, to make it a little bit easier to see as I just weave each portion around. And you can just layer it however you want to layer it, and I kind of wanted it going in an angle. Again, simple, easy, pretty much again as 1, 2, 3. There you have it, all done. You just take your ribbon, flip your wreath over to the back, wherever you want to hang it, and you'll just simply wrap it around. No gluing involved or anything. Tie it off. And you can also, if you're going to hang this from a door, you can use a door wreath holder to hang it from a door, and I'm just going to show you where I'm going to place it. So I hope you enjoyed this video on this quick, simple, easy as 1, 2, 3 putting together this simple wreath. You can hang on the door, on the wall, or as I am showing it featured hanging on a door that is sort of camouflaging the doors for the air conditioning unit that is at the end of the hallway. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. This has been Chanel, and I'll see you all in the next one.